In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a URL link in Asana Board 2025, step by step. If you've ever wanted to drop a website, a document, or any online resource right into your project so your team can access it instantly, this walkthrough is for you. We're going to keep it simple and speedy using Asana's built-in formatting so you don't have to fiddle with menus or settings. Start by opening the project where you want the link to live. Head to the board or list you're already working in. The process is the same either way, so just go to the place in your project that makes the most sense for the link you're adding. A quick tip here, make sure you have edit access to the project and the task, otherwise you won't be able to save your changes. Next, click on any task where the link should be stored. The task details panel will open on the right side of your screen. Think of this panel as the home base for your task's context, description, attachments, and conversations all live here. Keeping links inside a task helps your team find everything related to the work in one place. Now click into the description area. This is a rich text field where you can type notes, instructions, or paste content. If your description already has text, place your cursor exactly where you want the link to appear. Keeping your links near the relevant instructions or checklist items makes them easier to spot later. Paste your full URL directly into the description. For example, https example.com. Make sure it includes the https or http at the beginning. As soon as you paste, Asana automatically converts it into a clickable hyperlink. No extra formatting required. You'll see it change style immediately, and you can click it to test that it opens in a new tab. If it doesn't link right away, add a space or press enter after the URL to confirm the formatting. If you prefer clean, readable text instead of a raw URL, you can use optional clickable text. Type something like, click here, https:/example.com. When you save, Asana shows click here as the link, pointing to that web address. For best clarity, swap click here for something descriptive, like project brief or design mockups, so it's obvious where the link leads. That's all there is to it. Open your project, choose a task, click into the description, paste your URL, and let Asana convert it into a link automatically. Use the optional text format when you want a cleaner look. Save your changes and you're done. Your team now has quick, reliable access to the resources they need right inside the task.